Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to photo mode missing on TikTok. So you have to just open your TikTok app. So when it's open, you have to go to your profile and go to three dots horizontal lines and scroll down to find report a problem. So you click to report a problem and it will be loading once. So it will be loading. So you have to scroll down and click to count and profile or editing profile. So sorry, you have to click to editing profile and you will click to others and it will be loading. When it's open, you have to scroll down to click need more help. So when it's your spot tickets and tell us your feedback, tell us your problem, which are you facing. So I will write my feedback of which problem I got. So I currently missing my photo mode on TikTok. Kindly bring it back for using. Thank you. So you have to just write your feedback and click to submit button. So your ticket spots is there. Your message, your TikTok replies. Thank you. It will be notify you. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.